The iPhone Fold is real. For years, it's been the tech world's biggest will they, won't they. But now, the leaks are louder than ever. 5 major new ones just dropped, giving us our clearest look yet. Today, we're skipping the fan fiction and focusing on credible sources, patents, and supply chain whispers. If you're hyped for Apple's next big move, stick around. Let's dive into these leaks. First up, when is it coming? The latest, most credible reports point to a late 2025 announcement and a Q1 2026 release. Apple's locked in a design, and production is ramping up. This timeline gives them space to perfect the software and let foldable tech mature. It's not just another iPhone, it's a whole new category with its own spotlight. Supply chain insiders and analysts like Ming-Chi Kuo are backing this up. The countdown has quietly begun. Let's talk price. Leaks point to a starting price of $1,799 in the US, right in line with Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold and Google's Pixel Fold. Apple isn't undercutting. They're aiming to justify the price with build quality and ecosystem integration. Some reports say Apple may take a smaller profit margin at first, focusing on prestige and innovation. Expect higher storage models to cross $2,000. This is for early adopters and pros who want the best. It's a statement piece and Apple knows it. Start saving now. Here's the twist. Apple's not going book style but clamshell. Leaks show a flip design with a large, fully functional external display, almost the whole front so you can use it like a regular iPhone. Open it up, and you get a 6.7-6.9-inch main display with an almost invisible crease thanks to a teardrop hinge. Apple's working on ultra-thin glass with a ceramic shield for durability. The design is pure Apple flat titanium edges, robust hinge, and flex mode for holding the screen at any angle. It's not fragile, it's premium, open or closed. This is a familiar form factor elevated. Apple's signature design, reimagined for foldables. The camera system? No compromises. Expect a triple lens setup, main, ultra-wide, and periscope telephoto, matching pro-level iPhones. The foldable design unlocks new ways to shoot. Set it half-folded for stable shots, or use the external display as a live viewfinder. The hinge enables flex mode in iOS. Watch video on one half, scroll comments on the other, or take hands-free calls. Rumors point to under-display Face ID for a seamless internal screen, and Dynamic Island on the outside. Every feature is designed to make the most of the foldable form. It's not just a new shape, it's a new way to use your phone. Apple's aiming for practical, thoughtful innovation. This could set the iPhone Fold apart. Hardware is only half the story. Apple's developing a special version of iOS codenamed Stow, just for the Fold. Think true multitasking, 2 full apps side-by-side, seamless drag and drop, and unique dual-screen experiences. Expect top-tier performance, likely the A20 Bionic chip, and up to 12 GB RAM. Deep integration with the Apple ecosystem means you can use the Fold as a MacBook display or hand off tasks to your iPad. The software isn't just adapted, it's a reason to buy. Apple wants the Fold to be a productivity powerhouse. This is where they could truly dominate. There it is, 5 huge leaks, our best look yet at the iPhone Fold. Early 2026 release, $1,799 price, clamshell design, pro cameras, and a foldable specific iOS. Apple's not just iterating, they're reimagining what a phone can be. Every detail aims to solve current foldable pain points and deliver that signature Apple experience. Which leak gets you most hyped? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone Fold updates. Thanks for watching, see you next time.